The S-Series is a high-temperature heating and ventilation unit. This technology performs very well in warehouses and other high bay applications. The S-Series is deployed in over 3 billion square feet across North America. Our S-Series units perform three primary functions: high-efficiency heating, temperature destratification, and 100% outdoor air ventilation. The S-Series delivers up to 160-degree discharge air through nozzles at a rate of 1,500 to 2,000 feet per minute. The high-velocity air induces the air around it at a 10-to-1 ratio. For every 1 CFM, the unit moves 10 CFM in the building. It has an effective throw of up to 275 feet. We are able to design for even temperatures, achieving a 2 to 3 degree temperature difference from floor to ceiling, front to back. The CSA Certified Safe S-Series is manufactured with structurally reinforced unitized housing and base made of G90 galvanized steel. The entire unit receives a baked epoxy coating for long life weather resistance. 100% outside air enters the double width, double inlet forward curve fan or blower. The blower then discharges air directly into the Cambridge proprietary burner, producing less than 5 parts per million of carbon monoxide and 0.5 parts per million of nitrogen dioxide. The burner can be fired using natural gas or propane. The S-Series pictured here is a through-wall configuration. 5 additional configurations allow us to design a heating and ventilation solution for your people and complex processes in industrial facilities. The additional configurations are rooftop, underroof, indoor vertical, outdoor vertical, as well as outdoor horizontal pad-mounted units.